Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nirot Pilkhosh from SCC Bangalore. First year, first sem, BMW. Library number 23CS1599. Uh, Today's topic is landfilling in India. Or more precisely case study, but since we need to know what's landfilling, let's go with that. Introduction. Today we will talk about landfilling in India, which is one of the practices which help India to manage solid waste. So let's dive into it. Rapid urbanization and population growth. So, what is landfilling? Landfilling. It's a practice or a process which is used to dump the waste you produce at home or any other place, a solid waste, to dump any kind of solid waste, unwanted and unnecessary waste at a clear land. So, what are the key points or key difficulties landfilling is facing nowadays? Rapid urbanization and population growth. India has witnessed unprecedented urbanization and population growth over the past few decades. The migration of people from rural to urban areas has resulted in increased waste generation, putting a strain on existing waste and waste management system. Increased consumption and waste generation. With rising living standards and changing lifestyle, there has been a surge in consumption pattern. The increase in disposable goods has contributed significantly to the overall waste generation in country. Existing waste management infrastructure. The current waste management infrastructure in India faces challenges in coping up with the sheer volume of waste generated in nowadays. Many areas rely heavily on conventional landfilling methods, raising concern about environmental sustainability and public health. Need of modernization. The existing waste management practice needs to be modernized to align with the scale of complexity of the current waste generation scenario. The case study will dive into specific challenge and solution related to landfilling in Indian context. So, what do you understand from this side? I told a lot of things, but what do we understand? What we understand is the main thing India is facing right now is the rapid population growth and change in lifestyle of most of the urban people, which has been the main issue in Indians' waste management system. But the another one which is being faced is management system infrastructure, the existing traditional methods which are being used, which is landfilling. But since India is growing, the population is growing, the land which we can use for landfilling is reducing. The lesser it gets, the harder it is for India to cope up with the amount of waste generated day by day, which is also increasing. So we need to use new methods. We have to introduce new methods, such as incineration. Combustion is one of them, but since combustion is kind of which is a dangerous process since it leaves toxic gases, incineration is better treatment. Of course, there's other ways to treat this issue. We will dive into it later. Waste generation in India. Here in graph we can see that Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal, Karnataka are few of the large production of waste every year. And this chart is not constant, it's increasing, so it's not the actual one. We couldn't find the actual one here, but it is kind of new, the latest one I could find. And but the main thing is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, few are one of the most production of which are producing more waste. Need for landfilling. Why do we need landfilling? Lack of advanced waste treatment technology. Despite effort, a significant portion of waste management in India still relies on conventional methods such as landfilling due to lack of widespread adoption of advanced treatment technologies. Economic and infrastructure constraints. Economic factors and infrastructure limitation pose challenge to the establishment of comprehensive waste management system, leading to dependence of cost-efficient landfilling. Well, India's infrastructure is mostly focusing on the development of India, but the things such as waste management is little has been lacking its focus, India's focus. So India's economic is be less. The fact money is less giving are providing less, are being provided less because of it, and the lack of advanced technology. Of course, as I said, India doesn't have that technology yet, which should be introduced quite fast, because the way it's going, it would be dangerous for India if this continues. Landfill process. Collection and transportation waste. First step in landfilling process involves collection and transportation of waste via various sources, including household, business, and segregation and processing. Waste segregation is crucial for efficient landfilling. Mass materials are sought to diverse, recycled, and compostable, leaving non-recycled waste for landfilling disposal. Landfilling site selection design. Identifying suitable landfilling site involves considerations such as proximal waste source, environmental impact, multiple measures, whatever. So, what does this slide say? It says the landfilling process first requires collection of waste which is being produced in your household, since collection is one of the main starting point of any waste management process. First, it gets collected, then it gets segregated in a transportation site, where the waste which is being collected gets dumped at a platform, and then it gets segregated according to which is recyclable, which is non-recyclable, which is combustible, and so on. Landfilling site selection and design. The landfilling can't be done like we just see a empty land and we dump the whole waste. No, it can cause environmental impact, which is dangerous, and human health and cause human health decrease. So it has to be first selected carefully, which is far away from human settlements, and then be used. And the last process, yes, environmental impact and migration measures. As I said, environmental impact, the first thing that comes in mind when you find a select a landfilling site is environmental impact. Now, next slide. Case study in Ghazipur landfill in Delhi. As we can see, this is the map of Delhi, district map. Yeah, and this is the location. The side map shows the amount of waste which is being landfilling site. Waste accumulation over the years. As we can see in Delhi, Ghazipur village is one of the largest over the years. Environment and social impact. Ghazipur landfilling has associated with acid contamination affecting nearby water sources and soils. The landfilling contribute air pollution in the region, impacting the health of the residents. Government initiative and challenges. Despite the government initiative to address landfilling issue, challenges proceed find alternative solution managing the existing waste at Ghazipur. And with this, I will end my video. Uh, from this, we understood what the amount of case study. It's the case study of Gazapur waste management. You can understand the problem faced by India right now about landfilling. So this was a general information, most of it. We should be aware of the problem faced by our country. So with this, I will end my video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day ahead and Merry Christmas.